Hello fam, and welcome back to APinkeClothlife. I am Tina. I do a lot of different budgeting videos, savings challenges, money challenges, cash stuffing. I do a lot. So today I am going to be showing you guys some happy mails, and it's Designs by Soul. So if you guys have ordered from her, then you know what she offers, but I don't know what's in this package. She sent me some happy mail and I'm like super excited, so I'm going to open this with you guys. I am not good with not opening before, but I did really good, so I held out. And on my other video, guys, as you can tell by the intro, we are going to be taking a look at my what's in my budget caddy. So when my other video that I did probably like a week ago, someone said, hey Tina, can you show us what do you carry in your budget caddy? Because I carry this thing all over the house, as you can see, and it is like super sturdy. It is like a budget tote station, which is like my travel station, but I keep everything in there, and I am going to be showing you guys everything that is in there that I keep. So just in case if you want to start a budget caddy, you can use whatever you have available and the things that you keep in yours. And I don't think I keep a lot in there, but I keep some stuff in there. All right, so let's go ahead, let's get into it. All right, so I wanted to do a video like face-to-face of me pulling it out, but I was like, I like videos where I can actually see the things up close. I don't know if you guys are like that. So when I do this video, just let me know in the comments if you like it that way, or if you like me just sitting there, holding it up, showing you guys, you let me know, okay? So the first thing I have in my budget caddy is my shopping list book. This right here is my freaking bestie. Like, I'm serious. I use this book all the time, and a good thing of advice, a good tip is, if you do know like your store's layout, and you can also go online to look on their website, and it'll say like bread on aisle 6, or it'll say Nathan's hot dogs on aisle 7. So if you can figure out the layout, what you can do is, like what I do is I start on the left side, and like I say, like here's the yogurt, and then once I go past the frozen vegetables, grabs what I need, and then after that, turn the corner, there's the milk, so I grab the milk, and then I grab my creamer, and then I grab the french fries, go up that aisle. So if you can actually plan it in your book like that, shopping will go by super fast. And then once you go, you got it, just check it off. That's all you have to do, and that makes it super easy. So, and then also I do a lot of pickup, so when I do get my groceries, and when I put them up, I can check it off. And that's how I knew a couple things one time I had missing. So because I didn't check it off, and I looked and they had it, and it was up at customer service, so they had it. but because I checked it off, and I checked to make sure before I put my groceries up, then I can tell. So this is like my my go-to book here. This is like awesome. All right, so that is what's in my budget caddy, and sometimes I keep this in my purse. So this is Aiden's binder, and I really need to revamp his. And the thing about, I know these are the same color of the binders that I have, but the thing I love about these binders is that I can name these and put whatever name that I need on the front, so that when I do pull my binders out, I know exactly what binder I have, and it just makes life a little bit easier. And then this is his, and I have to redo his envelope, so I'm working on that behind the scenes. So that is his. And next I have my holidays binder that I keep in the one side of the pockets. This right here is basically to save up for like holiday events, like his summer camp. Like here I have like January, I saved up for New Year's Eve. And then for February, for our Valentine's dinner, summer camp, and you just save for different things that you have goals, Easter, Black Friday. I do have birthdays in there, and this goes till January. So this is another thing that I keep in my binder. In my budget caddy. All right, so the next thing is my sinking funds binder. This right here, I love this thing. So my sinking funds binder, what I have in here, these are like bills. Like I have microblading. These come like round yearly, and so these are just things I know that I'm going to have expenses for, like oil change inspections, Amazon, like nails, which I have a nail appointment coming up soon, and then we got car property taxes and coffee bar and things like that, car. And then in the back here just so I can cut back on how many binders I have. So I just actually put a couple savings challenges in the bag. I have my kawaii fruit, and what I'm trying to do is get a little bit better with not having a whole bunch of savings challenges so that I won't get overwhelmed. And then I will put that back in my budget thing as soon as I'm done. And then this is my cash that I have. So this is not real money, this is like prop money, because I ended up doing, I have a kawaii challenge. So this is just extra bills that I have when I do my cash envelope stuffing, when I check my wallet to see how much I have left. So I just put the extra bills in here, and then I have pay it off challenge. So because this is a credit card that I'm actually trying to pay off, and I do keep track of it here, I want to make sure I put money on it as fast as I can. So I still need a visual. There are people that don't need visual, because I know you're probably like saying like, why do you have fake money? But for me, I have to have a visual so I can look in here and I can say like, oh, look at this. This is how much I've already paid on this card. And it makes it fun paying debt. So I just use this prop money, and I just use that in there, and I want to get this paid off fast. So every little bit that I get, I put like $5, $10, whatever I can send to it, because I want to do it fast as I can instead of having it sitting in my envelope. And that's how that's why I have the prop money, and I've used that for this. So that is that. And we are pretty much, and I'm going to show you guys, so this is all on that one side there, so that's all on there. So I'm going to put all this back. Hopping to the other little pocket. This is my 1 month ahead. And this is just savings challenge that I have. And this goes with my 1 month ahead binder. I got it upside down. I'm like, y'all probably like, what do you got? So that's what that is right there. So I'm going to show you this go in consistency with this one here. Let me show you. So I do use this with this book. So once I fill this up, this goes into these envelopes here. And then that's my dashboard. I think I'm gonna start doing the front and the back dashboard and have it as one, but I have it as two. And then these are just my envelopes that I have. And like I said, I pretty much started over with my budget. Next, what do we have next? Oh, next we have this. So this is my business binder, and that's that. And then these are my envelopes here. My little keychain needs to be replaced. I've had that for a while. And then this book here, so when I would need to go get some, and this is just a book I made, whenever I need to go out, like if I need to pay my post office box, I don't have a storage unit anymore, so I'll have to change that. So like when I need to go to Staples to get supplies, take money from business, Roth IRA, equipment, and then things like that. So this, I just run in the store and I just use that money to pay for stuff. So I'm not carrying this big, huge thing with me. So next I have my little planner wallet. And this is what's in there. So this right here, I just keep, I have some stickers in here. I have some sticky notes. I have some little round sticky notes. This was like a full thing, but I cut it in half so that it'll, it was a little planner I had that I wanted it to fit. I have a little clip. I have my cash breakdowns. I have my cash money envelope. And then I have my stickers that go in here. My sticker book, so I always have my sticker book with me. I don't have anything in this pocket here, but I have my highlighters and I have a pen here. So these are just erasable pens, and they just fit perfect right there. And then I have a palette G207 pen there. And then I just have just a couple of these cash breakdowns, and that's about it. And then this is machine washable, so you can just throw it in the machine. And yeah, and so that's one of the things I have in there. All right, next, and I think we're about finished with that pocket. Next, I just have my yearly savings. I have January, and so these are just all like savings. And if I don't save all of it for the month, I'm still okay. So that's what those look like. They're reusable, and I just have the months there. All right, so that is for that. And then next, what we got? Oh, I can put this back in there. Next in here, I have my, these are my other important binders. Because like I told you guys, I was trying to cut back on some. I have my Alpha Savings Challenge. And that is this. So this is basically a low income and a high income savings. And you can play how you like. And then you have your cash in your back, in your pockets. And that is one of my savings that I have in there. And then this right here is my vacation binder. And so I just have my little bookmark and then how much to save. And then I have my envelopes here. So that's with that. And these are clear front envelopes there. So that is that. And what else do I have? Oh, and then I told you I have a lot in here. Then I have my budget planner. This is discbound. I like discbound. I like the spiral, but I like the discbound better. Just because I can pop pages out and put it in. I can switch my dividers if needed. And then I can, you know, add stuff to it. And then I have my 26 bi-weekly savings. And this is, like I said, no rush. If I have extra cash, I put it in there. If I don't, I don't. I'm not going to make it like a mandatory, like a big deal if I don't, you know, get it all in there. I have my straight out of cash stuffing pouch. This thing has a lot of pens in there. So I do keep a lot of pens for that. And then I have my clickety-clack calculator. So I have that. And then I just have, this is just my, sometimes I write my business budget in this binder, not binder, but this book. And that's just what this is. It is like super cute. Oh, I forgot. I didn't put this back in there. This didn't even stay. So this is just a little book I have also that I keep in there. Just have these savings challenges here. And these are just, I just do these at my own pace. This is a savings challenge savings book. And this one here is the second edition savings challenge book. And then this one right here is just 50/50 envelopes. And that's all that is. And guys, and then, oh yeah. And then on the side, I keep like a little clip. And then that is all that I have in there. Okay, guys, I am so excited to open this. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm not even going to talk. I'm just going to open. I'm just going to open. All right, I'm going to go super. Make sure I don't cut anything here. Okay, yes, I'm good. I'm good, good. All right, so I'm going to cut here because I don't want to cut anything. Oh, look. I hope she don't mind me reading this. Oh, this is so sweet. Oh, gosh. Okay, I don't know if she wants me to read this or not, so I don't know. She just said I was one of the first original budget channels that she started watching. And she gave me something from her Etsy shop. So, Designs by Soul 2024. So, that's her Etsy shop. Oh, my God. Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh, these are, I love little tiny dainty things. Sorry to squeal, y'all. This is so cute. This goes in my purse. Oh my gosh. This immediately, oh my gosh. Look at this. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me open this. Thank you so much, Soul. This is so cute. Designs by Soul. And I got some stickers. Look at the little card. So I'm going to put this up here. Designs by Soul 2024. Y'all go visit her Etsy shop. Go visit. Oh my gosh. And then we have a little QR code. And then this is her YouTube and design. So I'm going to put this up here. Y'all go. Can you see it? Okay, here we go. That's good. I wonder if you can scan the code through the... Can you scan it while I have it up here? That might work, y'all. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is so cute. Okay. Stop. I just realized this said, okay, let me calm down. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. This just says APinkeClothlife. Are you guys seeing this? Oh my gosh, thank you so much. So, and it's got strawberries. This is so cute. Thank you so much. This is awesome. Oh my God, this was some cool happy mail. I'm gonna put this in here, and I'm gonna put this on my binder. I actually want to put this in my planner. I wonder if I can. I don't know. I'll try it. Thank you. So this was, oh my gosh, this was so cute. And these right here are so cute. Okay, guys. So thank you guys so much for chilling with me. And I got to message her. So if you're not watching, I'm going to message you. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. And thank you guys so much. So I just showed you guys exactly which was in my budget Caddy Tote. I got all mixed up now. And then make sure you visit Designs by Soul 2024. And like I said, hopefully you can like scan this code through the screen there. All right, guys. And then like I always say, and just if you have suggestions for videos, guys, just post them below. Like I said, until next time, guys. Peace.